Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. We're doing a little bit of a different video for you today. I'm participating in a collaboration where a bunch of us creators gave our name to Tiffany at Our Small Town Life, who's hosting this collaboration, and she generated an automatic who's picking who to give gifts to. So we're excited to see who I got gifts from, and go check out the playlist down below. I will leave a link to the playlist where you go meet new creators to you and see their great content, and maybe you'll find somebody you want to watch on a regular basis. So this is a fun collaboration I've been doing for the last 3 years, and I think Tiffany's been doing it for at least 5. And I want to thank Tiffany for inviting me back this year, and this is a great video to watch, to be creative, to see what kind of gifts you can give to somebody that you barely know or may know a little bit better, just to get you in that Christmas holiday spirit and know what things work for some people and just enjoy this great content. So let's get cozy, grab a hot beverage or a cool beverage, and let's cuddle up together and see what I got. I'm sure this will bring a little extra holiday cheer into your home. Alright, let's get this open and see. I don't see a card, but Amanda, I'll put the name of her channel on the screen. Wow, a pot holder. Doesn't every kitchen need an extra pot holder? I could never find mine, but this is very sturdy and well made. I love it. Thank you. It's crochet pot holder. I love the colors. Then a tea towel. Oh, these are flour sack towels. I just love them for bread baking. This is a very thoughtful gift. I needed some new ones. Thank you, Amanda. Very nice. Those will come in handy for all the bread I make. Oh wow, medium salsa. Diced tomatoes, tomato juice, tomato paste, onions, bell peppers, vinegar, jalapenos, salt and sugar, garlic. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Let me guess, this is a coffee mug. Oh wow, very nice. It looks like a blanket, a cozy blanket, and in my color too. Very nice. And to go along with that, we got some chamomile tea, caffeine free. That's always good because I'm highly sensitive to caffeine. If that's anything you guys need to know about me, I don't drink that much caffeine in my life because I'm up bouncing on the walls at midnight. And we got some warming chai tea, spice. I'm going to be looking forward to tasting that. And peppermint tea, which is caffeine free. Very nice. Then we got some microwave popcorn from Amish Country. We got butter flavored and cheddar cheese. Very nice. Thanks, Amanda. These are very thoughtful gifts. If this is our first time meeting, I'm Leanne, and I'm a dairy farmer's wife, and we also crop farm. On this channel, we do cooking and baking from scratch and heating videos. And if you're into that sort of thing, stick around, because we have a lot more to do around the house. My mom tells me that peppermint herbal tea is very good for upset stomachs. In the business of the season, it's easy to get caught up into the things that we need to get done, like going to gatherings and spending time with family. But I always like to make sure I stop and see people that may not have any family or friends to go see. So I encourage you to take a plate of cookies to your neighbor that you might not know so well. Just it's better to give than receive is what I'm saying, and sometimes just the acknowledgement that you're there for them might mean the world to them. So have a blessed holiday season. I'm excited to try this, so I figure we're gonna try it right now, the warming chai spice. I've never had chai, so I'm curious. Definitely smell that spice. Ooh, that just makes you feel warm. I do love this mug. It is so me with the color and the quiltiness of it. I think it's darling. And I can't wait to try the chai spice tea in it. Such a great day for having hot tea. It's 34 degrees outside, and it's flurrying. Very, very nice. Thanks again, Amanda. I appreciate everything that I've received, and Merry Christmas to you. Have a blessed holiday season. In the busyness of the season, we'll
drink water, friend.
Drink water. Remember, God gave you a great day. Now go do something great. If you made it this far into the video, I'm sure you're loving the content of this channel. May I suggest you watching this next? Take care and God bless.